Hello. I'm sure you've heard the expression, what goes around comes around. This is really just a statement, another way of saying that for every action there is a reaction. So the universal science law is that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. That means that the action flows into the reaction, and that there is a cause for which an effect has come about. And by a process of inquiring, you can find out what the cause is when you see the effect. So this is something that governs the universe. And therefore, when it comes to us, as we are present, occupying this universe, we too are governed by that same law, the law of cause and effect. And therefore, that means then that the actions that we perform must necessarily be governed in the same way. So, as you perform an action, you get a result. It's not rocket science. In fact, it's almost a simpleton statement, because everybody knows this. It's like, duh. But keeping it in view as you perform actions may sometimes be challenging. And yet it helps to just have a basic awareness. What's the awareness? That I am on the receiving end of every action that I perform. Therefore, I want positive actions because I want positive results, because I am the beneficiary. And therefore, if I can keep that in mind as I perform the action, I will do actions that are not only beneficial to me, but they don't create a lot of heartburn and problems for other people. There's always going to be rubs as actions are performed amongst people. That's part of the action process. But if I have a beneficial intent, meaning I perform the action keeping in view that as I seek what I want, that I don't become negative towards other people in trying to get that, then I will get the result, which is going to inherently be full of benefits. And if it's done negatively, it's just the opposite. It will be full of negativity. So it's a simple thing, and yet it's something that has to be kept in view, because ultimately you are on the receiving end. So therefore, why wouldn't it be something you'd want to recognize and benefit by? That's how it works.